Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have another video showing you guys how you can make money online. And today's video is all about transcription. And if you've not heard about transcription, so transcriptions are also a wide remote high paying jobs that you can do from the comfort of your home. And we have so many companies or so many websites that do offer these kind of jobs for freelancers or remote workers. And if you do not know much about transcription, I'm gonna be telling you guys what transcription is. Basically, it entails listening to a recorded audio or a video, and then you have to type whatever you hear from that video or audio word for word. So we have that there will be companies or people who will be paying this website and they need certain videos or audios transcribed. So that means they need whatever video or audio that they have written in a text form. And that is where you come in and you have to do this work of now basically writing down whatever you hear in an audio or in a video, and you write down it in a text, so word for word. So usually these audio files can include a focus group or market research. They can include interviews, meetings, phone calls, or even Zoom calls. And normally what transcribers do is that they create a written copy of either a video or an audio context, or you normally convert a recorded live from human speech into a text. So that is basically the job you have to do as a transcriptionist or a transcriber. And the pays are usually quite good for these kind of jobs. And normally you can take them as a side hustle, or even if you get experience and you start doing more, you can even make it like your full-time job. But if you do not have experience with it, then it will be better to start off small, gain experience as you go on to become like an expert in the field. So there are many transcribing companies, but today I have like three websites that I want to show you guys that you could try. But in more videos, I'm gonna bring in more websites. So there are certain websites that they do take like beginners with no experience, but there are also other companies that usually normally do require you to have some sort of experience. But in this website that I'm gonna show you guys, you could try and register and see. So normally the sign up is usually free, and all you have to do is register. And then most of these websites usually require you to take like a small test for you to see how your transcribing skills are, and then they can rate you or send you like jobs based on like your outcome. So the first website I want to show you guys is called Transcribe Me. And this is an audio video transcription website as well. And so all you have to do, you have to come here to like freelancers and become a freelancer and start earning from anywhere. So this website mostly you can work with them from anywhere. So you start freelancing, and here is a sign up form. You have to sign up, and then you just have to basically follow all the instructions that they are asking you guys to follow. So most of these websites actually work with like big companies and um big brands as well. And you can see these are reviews from people who have already worked with these companies. So here you can see you have a flexible time of working, you have the option of having a career growth, freedom and flexibility to grow your skills and career. How you get started is simply creating an account, connect your PayPal, and then you have to take an entrance exam. Then once you pass, then you can be able to activate your account. The starting pay is about 15 to about 22 dollars per audio hour, and the average monthly earning you can earn is about 250. So sometimes you have like special kind of audios that pay even higher to about 60 to 70 dollars plus. So you can see here they also say we also offer advanced payments for our special teams that include medical and specialist styles, which pay even higher. So there are certain audios that even actually pay higher. Then the next website I want to show you guys is called AudioBee, and AudioBee is also another website where they do have quite a number of tasks, not just transcribing. Here you can see we have audio transcription, segmentation, voice recording, translation. So there's quite a lot you can choose from, not just transcription. And here you can say they start earning freely by working freely at home in just a few steps. So you sign up, you also take an assessment quiz. Then there is also a training course that you have to take. Then you start working and get paid either via PayPal or Pioneer. So if you do not have a PayPal account, you also have the option of getting paid via Pioneer. And I think Pioneer, usually I know PayPal doesn't work in some countries, but I think Pioneer is quite flexible in terms of other countries that don't really have PayPal. So that is another website that you can take. So here you can see that the tasks are not just transcription jobs. You have other tasks that you can also choose from. So if you're not good with transcription, you can try segmentation, voice recording, or also translation. So if you speak multiple languages, you could translate some files into the language that they require you to translate from. So here you can see that there are a wide range of jobs. You can work from anywhere at any time. You can get paid at any time, and you can also gain experience and earn more. So the more experience that you have, the more that you are gonna earn. Here you can see you can also look for jobs for them. They have quite a number of jobs that you can choose from. And all you have to do is simply become a freelancer and register with them and follow the steps that you have to follow in order for you to get registered with this website. So the other website that I want to show you guys is called Scribby, and Scribby is also another transcription website. So this one is mostly for just transcribing audios. It's not like the previous website, the AudioBee, where we have different kind of tasks. So this one is mostly just for transcription. So they have quite a number of brands or companies that they work with. This is strictly just for transcribing or transcription. And if you would like to join, you have to come down here, you can see in the careers that they are hiring. So you click on that, then view open jobs. If you view open jobs, you would see home-based transcribers, and it's remote, and you just have to apply for that. So you get started freelance transcription, and you can see the pay is usually from about $5 to $20 per audio hour. So depending on the hours you will take per audio, then they pay you based on the hours you will spend on each audio video or audio file that they will give you. So if you have to get started and you basically register, and most of these, as I have said, is that they require you to take some sort of trial test or some trial exam for them to see or rate your transcription skills, and then from that you can be able to start earning jobs or getting jobs from these websites. So you could try and practice before you register with these websites, and maybe from that you could get in or you could get verified. So there are more websites you could check in for transcription. So if you do not get into one, you could try another one until get you get verified or you get registered in one of these websites. So I hope this video was helpful, guys. I'm gonna be seeing you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.